Dear students, today we are going to do retell lecture. As the title itself suggests, retell means we have to retell something that we listen. It's a lecture. It's an important question type in PTE. Basically, it's integrated speaking module task and it contributes to listening and speaking. Listening because we listen to a lecture and speaking because we have to retell this lecture. And we get 10 seconds to prepare for retelling lecture, to just think or prepare what to speak. And the duration of this lecture can be 40 to 90 seconds. 10 seconds to prepare, then we have to record for 40 seconds. Here the most important thing is when the lecture goes on, that time we should be handy with the rough notes notepad, and we have to jot down major keywords. If we do not jot down major keywords, then it becomes difficult to prepare in those 10 seconds and deliver good work in audio. But if you jot down quality notes, that way you will be able to note down good things and speak good things. Moreover, if you can do some shorthand kind of, means you can write some words in short form so that you can understand, even that will be quite good for you. So notes should be very good quality notes. Your handwriting should be good because you write in hurry. When we write in hurry, at times chances are the handwriting is not good, so it should be legible. You can read it. Second, when you speak, try to speak in a flow, natural flow. Try not to be too fast or too slow. And you can use some good connectors like furthermore, in addition to, or some other as per your comfort or convenience. Some people prefer going for templates. Template is not a bad idea, but the thing is now AI evaluates this, and if AI suspects, feels that okay, the student might have used templates, then it's passed on to human evaluators. Every question is not evaluated by human evaluators, but yes, if AI feels that this is a template, so it might pass it on to human evaluators. And if it goes to human evaluators, then it becomes difficult for, like, you see, us to you they identify that it's a template. Then what we have to do when we take notes, while writing notes, we can write chunk of words. We can write in some in bullet points, and 8 to 10, 12 bullet points, words, adjectives, verbs will be quite good. And if you are not clear about any word, you could not understand properly, you could not listen properly, then avoid that word. It's better not to speak an incorrect word, right? So we have to be confident, we have to speak fluently, and we have to speak only those words that we are sure of. Yes, minimum 25 seconds you have to speak, and you can go till 30-35 seconds, that will be good. And while speaking, try to use important words that are used in the lecture. Repetitive words always play important role. Proper nouns you should use. If they have used some names, some cities, some mountain ranges, some oceans, try to use those names, or some names of human beings, etc., can also be used if they were in the lecture. And if you find there are some words related topic, those words should also be used, right? So I hope that will help you take this question very nicely. I just discuss few things again. We have to take good notes. Try to note down all the proper nouns, all the other types of nouns. Try to jot down adjectives, keywords, all the important phrases, repeated expression. Try that you have at least 12 points with you. Okay? Thank you. Have a nice day.